Hi, I'm Sequoia with Project Tree Colored. I'm here in Berkeley, California during COVID-19 to talk to you today about some experiments with packets of sprouting material. This example is of fenugreek. It's a spice that I really love to use in my cooking, but you could apply this technique to broccoli sprouts or alfalfa sprouts or a bunch of different kinds of sprouts. When they sell sprouts, these are organic and GMO free and by botanical interest. Many companies do these kind of things, but they provide you a lot for less money. So this one's $3.50. And it's fenugreek, which I love to use the leaves in cooking in various things. It sort of has a maple syrupy, delicious aroma that's kind of indescribable. But most people know it more from using the hard seeds in Indian cooking. They're ground up and used in Indian curries and spices. So this may be new to you, but maybe you'll want to try this or the same technique for another sprout. So I'm going to do the come and cut again technique. So I'm going to dry these out in my kitchen, and I'm going to cut close to the ground in the barrel. And this way I was able to not use garden space. I was able to utilize a barrel kind of tucked under a tree collard in a corner and just keep it watered, but I'm getting spices from it. So it's using a space I didn't really realize I had until I was trying to find a place where can I do this fenugreek barrel. So I'm cutting about an inch above the soil level, and then I'll have all this nice fenugreek to dry out in the kitchen. It needs to be dry and crispy to the touch and crumbly to the touch before you store it in any sort of container. So I just wanted to show you this experiment. Fenugreek is an annual, and I'm all about perennials and tree collards, but it's a really wonderful thing to grow your own spices as well. So thanks for watching. For more information, you can go to projecttreecollard.org.